No, you don't need to practice. I think you know it now. Go ahead.
Happy birthday, dear Chio. Happy birthday to Chio. Happy birthday, dear Chio. Happy birthday, dear you.
Yay! You want to say that louder?
Yay!
Yay!
Happy birthday, dear Chio.
Okay. And then what do you say? Are you going to say what? Happy birthday! Okay. Annie, what do you say? Oh, good. And then can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay. What do you say?
Bye-bye.
All right.